Hi guys, we are going to help my little brother to make his garden into a garden. This is his garden right now, and we will turn it into a giant cool garden. Yes, four, kami. Magsa. Come on, let's go. Okay. Let's go. So you might need to open this bug egg. What bug egg? Oh.
So said my bad egg or
Just hatch it.
Hatch it.
Let's see what will you get. No, like this. Okay. Hatch it. Like that. Let's see what will you get.
What?
Oh, you got
Spider.
No, it's not a spider.
What is it?
Pick up. It's a giant ant. It's good. So let's see what's in stock.
What's a giant ant? Wow, I have your. Let's get some fruits.
Last time there was a
Banana.
So yeah. So let me give you some fruits so I can help
What
you.
about banana?
So let's see. What will I give it? I
want
do
a
have
banana.
grapes.
Oh, I want a bigger.
Could give you this.
Then I want
Come
this
on.
one. You need to give me
Try
this
to
one.
give. Come on. Oh,
I
come
want
on. Okay, come on. A little bit more like. Bro, this is so hard.
It is much easy to do far away.
Like that.
And now you're
And right here, boy. Right, ayo.
Hey,
I'm
I
stuck.
hate that. I not want to.
Look at this, boy.
Where?
Like it? I'm right here.
No.
Let me see how much is it.
No, I want that one to be this big one.
Papoy, can you say ikot-ikot?
5 million. That's not bad.
Give me this one.
Adi mong gulgali na yan, binubuking ako kayan sa baktas. Aram mo mama,
Here,
yung
here.
akin na yan, binubuking ako kayan sa baktas. Maray na lang tapilot, dahil
I'm
naiintindihan.
trying to make that into the most and I will sell it until it will Come on, come here. Come on.
Fine.
I mean, right here.
We told you eat it. Ito mo
Uy, grabe yan nginingiriritan sa opisina kaya dahil ko hindi na.
Only 7 minutes.
Ay, ako dyan!
Not bad. 4.
Live streamer.
Come here.
Dahil pakita mo nga kayo dito, Angel mo.
Nagsisil na muna ako.
Grabe ko maximum po ay grabe.
Okay, how much is this bamboo? How much?
Hindi, magic mo ganyan.
Not bad, so I'm just going to sell this. Boy!
Gare, for, hindi ka na kaya yung sabihin mo daw,
Come
for.
here.
For, sabihin mo, K.
K. Alika, boy!
This is not very. This was everyone. So 4. Sell your fruit. What will I give for next? Comment down that below, my friends. Because it's already being a little too late, but I have the goodness inside of me, so I can help my little brother. So this is my house. If you like it, I'm just gonna sit down. Oh. Let's see what's my this gun. This is my most biggest one. So let's see how. Hey guys. Let me just call my little brother. Hey 4! Come on. Alika. Don't sell your pets.
Di nga ni,
I never sell my pets.
I'm going to give you some pets.
Sa mga
So,
bayadan.
I want to-
Down payment.
I'll sell
Dapat
that.
makapareserve na ako sa
Yes.
gabos.
This is
Di man ako pwede
This is a
magpupunta
bunny.
sa opisina nila, Dante.
so. Oh yeah, this is a rooster. It's still a baby.
Kaya ang ganun, nilulog mo na lang mga ano
Like it. Yeah.
Mawag ka na mangyarang ng plano, basta yun ang usap namin. Ayaw ko
This is-
ako mag-loan kung
Oh, why
yung
just-
yung pera ko, ganun ang pupuntahan. Ilang taon yun. Kahit pa ako ma-promote ako, babayad pa din ako noon. Sabi ko, wag, ma, wag,
Boy, you're going
gusto
to
niya
need
sariling
this.
luto. Ang gusto ni Dante
You're
sariling
going to need
gusto
this.
niya nung una sariling luto. Sabi ko, hindi
Boy,
na pwede tayo magsariling luto. Dahil kapag nagsariling luto
Stop
tayo
doing
sa
it.
venue, ikaw na din, mahihiwalay na lahat. Hiwalay na lahat. Ibig sabihin,
Oh,
kanya-kanya
oh,
yung makuha na
yes.
ako ng supplier sa lahat.
Looks.
Makuha akong coordinator, waiter, ng mga...
There's
Ano
an
pa po,
avocado. There's an
plato ng
avocado.
mga
There's
ano
an
natin,
avocado.
bisita. 8x11.
Boy, get the avocado. There's an avocado.
Buy it. Buy it.
Sabi ko, ayaw
And
ko
put it on my garden.
Gusto ko maayos.
No, I can't
Normal.
put it on your garden.
Kung gusto, di
I
ka na
can
lang kita
only
sa
put
barangay
it on
ninyo,
my
tapos
garden.
ikaw na magastos
Come on,
sa
come on.
pagkain,
Let's
ikaw
go.
kasal. Minsan lang ka kung kita kakasal.
Give it. Come on. Okay, so let me just buy all of this so I can pour. Avocado. Yeah.
Paano? Yun
Avocado
na. Basta
seed.
ganun ang
So let me just go to my
Ayoko ng
little
barangay
brothers.
na nakasal. Ayoko ng mga-
Come on. Plant it.
May budget lang kaming 300.
So let me just give you this flamingo.
Oo.
Put it down and it's actually very good, boy.
I put it down.
Ma, wala.
Just get one of your ano.
Hindi sudo.
Yung kaibigan ko nga, mapakasal sa West. Gastos nila, 150,000. Mapakasal na lang daw sila sa simbahan. 200, madagdag na lang sila, 250 kasi simbahan na.
show you.
Sa West lang ito.
I put it down.
Oh, this thing is very bad. So let me.
Marami na
Let me just
kasi
see
ngayon, hindi pa nakasikat tulad noon. Malaki na ang bayad ngayon. Ang photographer nga, 65,000 na eh. Photographer lang ito. Ando na yung picture,
Mom, recite
Video
it kami
edit,
sa temperon.
prenup, on the day.
Painit
Lahat
tao
basta yun na
jam.
yun.
So okay. So let's I already
Hindi ako
have a
mapasimpleng kasal,
avocado
ayoko.
seed. So
Gusto
I'm
ko
just
maayos.
going.
Ayoko
to
nung
put-
garo barangay dyan na pag ininitan ako, pawis-pawis ako. Abo.
Mommy, I'm filming.
Meron man mura-mura, basta hindi ako simple, walang
Yeah.
simple. Katagal-tagal na namin nagsasama, ngayon lang, kung doon na kayo ang
Asap.
magastos. Mas
Come on,
anong
po.
balibad na kasal yan, okay lang. Eh kami man ang magastos.
Let's just.
Kaya nga, hindi ka na magsabi ng sa mayaman na kasal. Gusto ko talaga mayaman na kasal, maayos. Kung may milyon lang ako, milyon ang gagastos ko.
Would you like it I buy?
Hindi pwede, malaki na mga bata. Makikita na nila yan, ay ganito pala dapat ang ikakasal.
So you see that?
Hindi na ako mapakasal ng
Ate!
kasal ng bayan. Kung gusto ninyong
What?
ganun palang kasal, dapat
Put it
noon
there.
pa.
It's going.
Kung kayo ang gagastos kasi
Yeah.
walang reklamo.
Put it some water.
Already put it some water. Get some dragon fruit
Wow!
seeds.
Na ako, na pinadangugan ko na nga nito.
Yes.
Natatamimi pag nagtanong na ako.
bra.
Pinadangugan ko na ito. Sabi ko kay Dante, sila nagulay kami ni Ate Karen. Sabi ko kay Dante dati, kung gusto niya ng barangay ang kasal, siya lang lahat ang magastos. Hindi mo na si Dante na ano. Ma, hindi mo na English. Ma, hindi mo na yung problema.
It's just Oh, let's see what
Kulang nga
I
ang
have
pera
a disc.
namin.
Oh, if
Hindi man niya imapapadala ni Dante ngayon
If
yung
we
up and down
reach-
ko sa mga supplier.
we
Kaya kailangan ko mag-loan.
reach
Huwag
10K
ka naman tanong, bakit
subscribers,
kayo mag-loan? Hindi ba
if
ikaw
we
mabalik?
reach 50 subscribers after this video, I'm going to give out one lucky subscriber and one of these. I'm going this. Or
Kaya nga iba
if they are very lucky, I'll give them this bigger one, but it's very expensive. Look how much.
Hindi man na kami ni Dante nag-aaway.
16
Nung una lang kasi hindi niya ako
If you-
naiintindihan. Ako
If you
maasikaso.
if you win
Makuha siya ng
my
duwang
challenge,
kulit kila mama niya.
uh,
Ipapabuno
in my news,
Ipapa,
I will give this
saan
away.
daw ning kasaltan?
Look at
Nag-aasikaso
how
pa
much
ako
is
kaya.
this. It's worth about
Siya kasi hindi niya
21
alam yung
million.
stress kasi dahil man niya naasikaso, mama niya
Okay?
pakialam.
If you win on the challenge
Ano na
in
naman
the song
ako?
TSB, I will
Abala ng lahat.
I will
dahil na
give
nakatukaw.
away one
Minasal
lucky
lang ako sa mga
subscriber
imbitado lang
per
kung kugma ako pagal.
one of
Baka ako pa
my
nagugas kaya mga shipping list na yan.
fruits. And let's see
Kung
what's
sa'yo,
inside
baka
of the
pagkatapos
stock.
kasi
Boy, go in stock.
wala pa.
There's nothing good. False alarm. There's no good things. Come on, give me something.
Wala, hindi man na siya nag-ano, yung kaibigan ko.
Let me see what's in
Mapakasal ngayong July. Sa bahay lang nila. 400,000.
Garden.
Sabi niya, hindi ko bakit umabot na kami to 400,000. Dapat kasi nag-catering na lang kami. Dapat nag-event case
Ano
na
yata yan,
dapat
Gordy?
lang
So,
ipapabot
let's
pa yung
see.
ano na yun. Tapos i-renate ang
Ano yan, kaya?
Barkada ko. Barkada ni Dati.
So, I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Kaya huwag kayong huwag kayong magbahay. Baka anuhan ka nila nun sa barangay gusto mas lalo ka sinunod niya lang daw sila papa niya dahil ano kasi yun capital SB
Can I just touch this?
Sanggunian yun. Sabi ko hindi ako
Another one.
nasunod sa mga ano na rin.
Oh man, this is not very good.
Oo.
If you like and subscribe and share my video to a friend, you might get
yung mga
one
imbitado
of
mo
my
nandun dyan lang
goodest
nagkakaan.
fruits.
Kala
It's
mo yan, mga
not this
nakikikain na
because
yan,
it
mahulog
doesn't
yan.
have,
Di
but
mahulog.
it's this one. Where was it?
Asa ka pa?
Where was it? Come on.
Maray nang hulugan ka kaya
That's
si
the
pa.
where was the fruit? Yeah,
Bahala
I've
ka
gotten
man,
stuck a little bit that.
O si ina nga yan ni Eunice o. Si ina nga yan ni Eunice.
Dirty like my
Nagpapagtumina na
plants.
grabe si Kakan.
Here,
Dirty like my plants.
this is what one of my if somebody gives me 10 likes, I'm going to give him one of my goodest and expensive fruits. It's this.
Bahala ka.
Where is it? It's not this big one. It's this. Not this big. It's one. Come on. Oh, come on. Why did it? Oh, come on. It's that chocolate right there. So let's just get back on the video. So today we are going to just collect all of your fruits.
Why?
You need it and sell it.
Sabi nga niya,
I will put some water on it.
kung iniisip mo yung gastos,
Not the bamboo, okay?
Hindi ka imbita ng gulpi.
It's actually very. If you
Hindi ka
actually make it
sarong.
put all of the mutation, you might get one of the most goodest.
Sabi ko nga niyo, ang invited day na ako, di ako pwedeng mag-invite ng aki. Si mga yaon lang sa entourage ay ako.
Dad.
Okay, boy. Now sell all of your
Sabi ko,
fruits.
kay Dante, tingnan mo mama.
Oh yeah, my
Gusto niya ng no
inventory,
limit
I
na
forgot.
kasal. Sabi ko, sa pamilya ko kako, baka di pa mag-50 ang mag-abot. Sa pamilya, sabi niya,
So let's
sabi ko, 150 lang,
If-
tama na ito,
if
ay hanggang
you-
200, sabi ni
if
Dante.
I
Ah, 150
get to
lang, pamilya ko lang
my
yan.
goal
Sabi ko,
10
ano?
million subscribers,
Nagustuhan ko ang
I
inyo nito.
will be so happy and I will sell
Cute mo
my
man.
I will give away this
Reunion pa lang ang
giant
pala na gusto mo. Sa May kita magpakasal sa reunion
dragon
do.
fruit for
Iyo pala na gusto mo.
only for one and
Ang gala ka kung pamilya mo yan 150. Lahat ba yan nakita ka ng pinanganak ka?
Ang cellphone mo?
So,
Taas!
let's just
Yung pinsan yung
let's just I forgot. Oh yeah. 4. I think my little bro is AFK. So this is. Come on, boy. Age 30. Wow. Might sell this, but all of my pets are hungry. Oh yeah, boy. If my little brother cutting the bell pepper, he will be so happy, but there is no bell pepper in stock. So, if you really want, if I get to 10 million subscribers in only just if I get to
Nagulat ko. Uy, ma! Wag mo
yeah.
na isama!
Sige nga, Nick. So, this little boy. So, I'm just going to give away some fruit. Just give my little bro some fruits, I guess. So, what fruit should I give him? Comment down below if what fruit should I give him. Just
Where am I?
choose this
Am I on the grid?
or this. If Ford gets very lucky, I'm going to give him not this, but the where was that fruit?
I got your message. So it's
What
just
is
you?
it? This is the most biggest mango that I have. It's very so today sometimes I like to give away fruits, but this video is getting a little bit long, but I like it. It's actually, please help me to get 10 subscribers or 5 or maybe 20. If I get 20 subscribers after I'm done out of this, I will give you guys. I will give you guys one gold shock fruit like this one. I'm going to make that pepper, all of the gold peppers in my pepper, I will make them gold shocked and give them away for just yeah. But if you comment down below what if I reach that another if I reach 100 subscribers, I'm just going to give away some pets. So this is getting a little bit happy. So let's just call my brother. Hey, 4.
hanap-hanap dyan ng dilata. Pag wala makain.
Let's see what's in.
Oy, kaya mamaya
What's in?
Ate, pahagi daw pambakal ng ano? Pambakal ng nagag ito?
What's
Pambakal
in
ng
this?
sabon. Sabon, pagdating nag-uusok singusok. Pang sigarilyo, mayo.
Aray
Kasi
ka,
pang
Poy.
mayo.
4.
Tingnan mo, bibenta ng ano?
Oh, what an occasion.
Don't miss every day thing in the end because it gets really crazy at the end. Oh, not bad. It's a little bit big. Although, my little brother might need some good fruits because this is but because my little brother is broke. Look how many shekels that he has. 18 million. If you want to add friend me, just click this just copy this name below. If you want to add friend my little brother, just copy this name below. This is my name and my little. This is actually getting a little bit fun. This is my third. Oh, 4. Check the fruits in the stock. Maybe there's something good. Looks like I better help my little brother. So once I'm done out of this video, I'm going. There will be a part 2 if my brother gets one of where was that? If my little brother gets the sugar apple or the Eve cobra seed or this, I'll be so happy that I will give him one of my most expensive fruits. So that's it. There will be a part 2. If this video gets 10 likes, I will do a part 2. Now bye bye.